In this video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a user from a Meta Ads Manager account. So in order to do this, you first need to head over to business.facebook.com. You should be able to see right here this part. So what we can do is we can head over and then click on this login with Facebook in order to log in with this. You can also log in using Instagram as well. Now, if you don't have any of those, proceed to click onto this create new account option. Now, if you also have a management account, you can also use that to manage it and also to open an account with it. On my case, let me just log in using Facebook. Now, here is my actual homepage on Business Manager. So, in order to remove a user, you just need to do this via the Add Account settings. To do that, you just need to head over and then click on this search or to this settings option. Click on this Add Accounts, and it should be able to show you right here Add Account. You can see right here people with full control, and you can also assign people and add people right here. If you want to remove a user from this, under their name, you can see this option to remove access. So for this case, just click onto this trash can icon or this remove access icon and then confirm the removal in order to actually remove them directly right here. You can also do this by going over to the Bio Business settings. So go to your Add Account settings right here and also head over to your business settings. Once you're in there, you just need to look for the people that you wish to remove directly from there and then confirm the removal of that particular person. Now, for important notes, you must have administrator access to access and remove accounts right here. And if you remove a user, they will lose access to all ad accounts that they have available. And if you have trouble finding the user, you may need to check other access points such as Business Suite or Business Manager. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.